niggas monkeys, we gorillas. We gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. Murders on my timeline, call it tugs. I'm in the club, popping with my niggas. Call that poppin'. All love, rockin' all them chips. Money, you ain't talking money, I don't need. What be quiet? You ain't gotta touch my own feet. That's true, that's true, that's true. Going about my spell, I'm about my spell. All my niggas monkeys, we gorillas. We gorillas. All my niggas clutching, we some hitters. We some hitters. Murders on my timeline, call it tugs. That's true, that's true, that's true.
Hey, Chad, welcome. Welcome. Okay, everything seems good. Seems like we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's start off with DXY. So I didn't trade yesterday due to President's Day. I knew we were gonna have a slow day. So if you just look at what happened yesterday, wasn't really a lot of moves on DXY. However, I will say the Asian session was quite alive this morning on the USD base. I know in EU, GU as well. Okay, so let's get into this over here. So looking at DXY at the moment, starting on the 4 hour, we can see here's the weekly open. Let me just hop to the 4 hour real quick. So this was last week's open over here. So according to my method, last week we traded down all the way, and we had no buy come through. So that was a no trade zone in my eyes. So if the move doesn't come this week, it will come next week. So simply we just throw out our weekly structure box to the current open. Okay, so we can see currently price is trading towards the upside. Now expect price to drop from this level. We have an unmitigated 5-minute supply zone over here, and actually shout out to Incognito for that. She actually put me on the 5-minute there. Like the 5 minutes actually very great for price action, especially if you're looking for 1 to 2, 1 to 3, whether you want to aim for higher risk to reward ratios. The 5 minutes is a great place to actually go look at structure. So quite a few things happening over here. Let me just double check this. So this has been mitigated, yes, and most likely yes, anticipated Asian high. So I wouldn't be looking to sell at this point because this is anticipated Asian high. And if we look at the current structure over here, we can see price is almost at that zone over here, almost at that zone. So I want to see price tap into this level, most likely see a pattern, something like this on the 5-minute, something like this, where price will form a higher high over here, basically because this is the last high it left. Pull back, I displace out of the zone, so I can have a retracement and see that move towards the downside or a flip zone come through. So I'm just gonna wait in TXY to hit that level. Let's move on to EU over here. We'll see EU is currently in a very similar direction, just the opposite. Also same thing. If we just look at what happened over here last week, we can see prices traded up all the way last week, no trade zone, so we expect sales to come through. Now I am looking for price to trade up towards these levels, potentially even sweep last week's high. Let me just remove this. So last week's high. Currently this is the zone which price is reacting off, so I wouldn't be surprised if, let me get to the 5-minute over here. So this has been mitigated. We can see price has slightly broken through that level, mitigating that zone. So we'll see what DXY does over here before looking to do anything. Let me just confirm one thing. I think we got the Asian high here, that's correct. Okay, so currently looking at this over here, what I would look for. Okay, so this is the current internal demand zone over here. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Hey CJ, welcome man. Hope you're doing well. So basically I need to see price break above this level over here. I need to see price break above this point. Break above, or alternatively do something like this. Hit this level, retrace a bit, then break above, so I can then potentially get into some longs. And also the reason for that will be we are at the Asian lows over here. I am trading against the trend over here, currently based on my plan, but this is initially I want to push price up to the level I want to sell from, if that makes sense. Okay, so just keep an eye on EU and see what the plan is. Let's see what gold's doing. Here's the weekly open, price breaking towards the upside. Quite a massive box here, quite a massive box I will say. Quite a massive box we have here. The only thing for me is I don't want to look for sells on gold because like price is making higher highs. So but the thing is, in order for me to buy gold, I need to see price trade down before I can do anything. Just have a little look here real quick. I think the only zone I would potentially maybe look for sales are at this level. GU, yeah, definitely. Okay, so that's gold. Just gonna see what happened here. Mitigated supply, okay. The drop mitigated, okay. Yeah, so that's the zone I would have to go for. The other thing is, obviously want to see price push to the upside. You see something real quick. Okay, interesting. So maybe I would look for longs on gold, yeah. And this is purely just a new method that I've been working on. GU. Weekly open right over there. Oh, I missed my entry. We actually called out this move yesterday on our Discord. I can actually show you guys. Oh no, what? Where is it? Okay. So I should see over here. Yesterday we had two trades. The first trade we had was Euro USD. We wanted to see see the buy limit on this. And, oh no, I didn't send GU out. Oh no, we did send GU out. Yes, GU. So there's that zone. EU we cut -4 pips because, like I said, market was slow, but Let's get this over here. Asian low swept. Okay, Siege, I'm with you here on this one. Seems like our pairs are lining up nicely. Ooh. I like what I see. Definitely gonna look for some longs, yeah. Did you guys fund your accounts with Luxe Markets? If you guys have not yet done so, the link is in the description. Make sure that you open an account with Luxe, the new broker on the block. Tight spreads, fast withdrawals. So 10.5 pips. So that will be like a 1 to 2 TP. And then we can go for the Asia high. Wait. Just have to double check this. Have to be mindful that price has flipped. Be mindful that price has flipped and we're looking for sells this week. Or I'm looking for sells this week. So I'm not gonna actually not gonna be too greedy with this, yeah. Give me a second quickly, guys. Oh my freaking word, gotta be kidding me, man. Yo, I'm fighting out. Okay.
We from a crueler side, where the youth get euthanized. Small fries get suicides from moving pies. All our blind eyes get turned from suit and ties. The truth it lies somewhere in the middle of half-ass rappers and cap-ass crockers on
I can't do anything on EU. Structure is not agreeing with me just yet. Okay, we're missing out a few pairs here. US30, let's see. Asian high and low has been swept. Nice seek and destroy there. What are you guys looking at? So break above 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, interesting. Oh, I will be honest, I don't like how this looks.
Shit gon' get hard, keep your head strong. If I quit now, then I'm dead wrong. Fighting off this hunger for hours. Big step, a nigga don't get stepped on. The money might fade, but respect don't. Still gon' be me when success gone. I don't speak the language of cowards. I walk through the flame like I'm Teflon. I sucked up the pain and I kept going. Whole world know my name.
Okay, there's a supply zone there. Let's see.
These words I still saying like I'm slept on. I sin so I can't cast the next stone. Unless it's baguettes.
We missed that sell here. Came back to mitigate. Oh, it's a bit of a massive zone there. What's NASDAQ doing? Ooh, NASDAQ looking very interesting. It's not a trade, sorry. It's not a trade. That was just me checking if I did. If my move did play out that I predicted. Okay, so currently we can see, I think this is, not mistaken, yeah, this is all-time highs on NASDAQ. All-time highs on NASDAQ. Don't want to fade yourself here now. Don't want to fade yourself here now. Yeah, there's nothing I can do here. All this accumulation, I need to see which side's gonna get swept. CJ, do you have the same bias on GU? Okay, EU rejecting there. DXY rejecting. We're missing some pairs here. We're missing some pairs. Oil. Okay, so we're looking for sells here. The first TP has not hit yet either, so there is still potential here. There is still potential. I just want to double check something from last week. Broke to the upside. Okay. Exin. Oh, it's tricky. It's tricky because we might have two zones of entry somewhere around here. And then potentially over here as well. You know, I don't mean to hate or anything like that, no. Last night I was laying in bed and I saw this other trader went live. He's well known in this space, but everyone sees him as a scammer. Which, okay, I will say I respect him for doing live stuff, like for free. I will respect that. But it's like these guys must take trades live, man. You know, and not just draw trend lines. Yo, Jeff, why does Luxe Markets have the same interface as Vault? Many brokers have the same interfaces depending on meta quotes and liquidity provider. Many brokers have the same. You'll see that Vault Markets, Luxe Markets, Vault Markets, Luxe Markets. Who's the other one? Trade 24/5. Who's another one? On Equity was another one. Equity, not Equity Edge. What's the thing called? Equity with the I. They also have the same interface. So you also see that, for instance, a different interface like Quick Trade and Alpha Markets interface was the same. I think another broker's interface looked like that was Veracity Markets. So it all depends on who creates the software for the brokers. I was skeptical about the trend on GU since I see a downtrend. Okay. The thing is, I only want to trade GU up until this high over here, more or less. Then I want to start seeing a drop, because I am bearish on it. I want to see it drop. Just hit an alert here on oil as well, so we can be notified. And gold as well. I think I wonder if I still have alerts left. Here we go. Okay, EU still pushing down. I need to see EU do something around this area before I can decide what to do on it. Now, only other thing is I don't want GU to touch this level over here before we hit this box. I want that box to be open, so that like this must happen, that must happen. So even if it does basically come to this level, we can either cut the trade over here, or we can hit a TP and you know potentially have some sort of rejection that will then continue to push lower, but we'll see. Okay. Oh. Yes. Yo. ATX, welcome, man. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Yo, someone just sent me a picture. Someone just sent me a picture of the GBP USD spread on Lux versus Volt. Yes. Volt has a 6 pip stop on a 6 pip spread on GBP USD. Our spread is 0.345 pips, not even 1 pip. EU's on like raw. Hey Tix, hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well. Oh, good, thanks. I want to ask you if you had a link for the derivative stuff in Mauritius that we spoke of the other day. I don't have a link. The person told me about it personally, and then the other info was from someone at the FECA. Yeah, nothing has been posted yet. It's still in discussions. It's mainly on the leverage thing.
This trading platform changed my trading career forever. And
yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole.
Okay, DXY pumping up there. Let's see what EU's gonna do. This is the only zone I can refer to on EU over here. Yeah, that's the only zone I can't get involved here. If price should just show me that it wants to go above this level, and also confirm it wants to go back into the Asian range. It's the only thing EU must confirm for me. I assume when they make decisions, there's an announcement and some sort of grace period. It does not work like that with them. Well, with the FECA, bro, if they say no, then it's no immediately, you know. I think then the only thing the only thing would be like they would get a warning, like everyone will be warned about it, and they most likely, like, because it's thick and like a lot of things will have to change. I think then they, like, clients might then receive like emails to maybe explain the changes that's gonna take place, and then maybe like you guys might get new servers, and obviously with the new leverage and so forth, because that's what happened. That's the one thing that I can say about the Riv. They've, over the last few years that I've used them, every few months there's new servers that come for some reason. So I don't know. But yeah, like I said the other day as well, conflict of interest for me as well. So even I like trust me, bro, I love trading Crash and Boom, but I would rather try and figure out a way to potentially have us introduce our own. I mean, Quick Trade has done it. Quick Trade has introduced their own synthetic indices. They have from Jolo 1000, and they have, I think they have 3 or 4 synthetic indices of their own. You know, but that takes money, bro, and thick, you know. But I do think when the announcement comes, it'll be like a thing of like, you know. But from a company standpoint, I feel like a grace period should be given. Oh no, Gio, where you going? Come on, Gio, pull back, man. Pull back, man. It's been good, bro. Like the only thing I will say is, I think having a lot of people say, yeah, but Jevon, you with Lux, so you'll obviously say good things about them. I will say this sticks, take 100 rand, take 100 rand, and just put it into your account, and then go check out the spreads, smallest lot size possible. Just execute and close. Just see how smooth it is, and then you can withdraw your money and then see how fast withdrawal also is. Then then you can tell me how good we are or how good Lux is. But yeah, bro, like I've executed on Friday. I traded NASDAQ and you'll see on GU actually. You'll see that here. Hey. Okay. So you'll see, for instance, here on GU, I executed here. No. Where did I execute from? This was when market opened. This was when market opened Sunday, because I wanted to see what happened, like how the conditions are when the market opens. So I executed along here based on this demand zone. I executed along here. You can actually see over here. So that level over there. So that's why I entered, and I yelled the trade. I yelled it. My stop was right over here. So when I went to profit, basically when we hit the zone, once we hit the zone over here, I pulled my stop up until at this point. I think it was slightly below it due to the spread, but like I said, our spread is like very tight, and I just held it. And then yeah, I withdrew yesterday. Made a withdrawal yesterday. Oh, what did I just do? I just did something. Okay, there we go. But yeah, the scroll screen still up. My bad. So basically I executed from there basically, and even then, so early in the morning in Asia, there was no slippage or anything like that. Then I also executed, also traded NASDAQ on Friday. So Friday we wanted to buy over here. We missed that trade. So I executed. Where did I trade from? Let me just double check, because I was on the 1 minute. Oh yeah. So I executed from this point. So this demand here. So I executed here, and I got out literally over there. And then I waited for price to do its thing. Price broke lower. Then I executed once again from the Asia highs. Something like that. And I just closed around there. So I just took I took 3 trades on Lux so far, basically 3 trades, and I haven't had any problems. I haven't had any slippage or anything like that. Like I said, like it's smooth. It's smooth. Like the moment I press buy or sell, it goes through. It doesn't still load, or like my phone doesn't hack or anything like that. You know, it just waits, bro. But like I said, like I can say all these good things about Lux, but only you can be the judge of it after you test it. Even if you just open an account and go check the spreads, even if you just go do that. Okay, GU pushing back down. Would you classify them as traditional broker? I think for me, security is far more important than withdrawals. That's what I use crypto for. Okay, okay. What would you classify as a traditional broker? Because I don't know what you mean exactly by that. Oh, that's what I took off. Oh my word, that's gonna be a mission now. This is gonna be a mission now to get this thing back on ya. Shh, man. Oh no. Can't believe I did this now. And I hope now this is the right template I had on. See, this is big problem now. Because I remember my indicator. Oh my word. Just trying to find someone I can build a long-term trust upon my account. I've done 70% increase on one, but not worrying about nonsense like this story with the Riv. Like, bro, the only thing I can say is, bro, like, they, like, let me say this, Sticks. I rejected Thrive. I rejected their deal. I rejected XM's deal. I rejected HFM. I rejected Thrive. I rejected HFM, Thrive, XM, and TD Markets. I rejected all 4 of their deals for Luxe Markets. Now, mind you, like, bro, I want an office for us and my people. That's what I want, right? All these brokers offered, like, they promised me that they would do this. Ne? All of them offered that. But their vision, those brokers I just mentioned, they didn't have your interest in mind. You understand what I'm trying to say? I can show you messages. I rejected, and mind you, this was just before December. So my plan was still, yes, see, we're gonna end December off with a bang, man. We're gonna get an office. We're gonna have people come to the office. We're gonna trade together. We're gonna bang it. Then the owner of Lux came to me and she told me what happened and why she left Vault. Ne? Listen to the story. Listen to the story. The owner of Lux left Vault. So she came to me. She told me about her experience. She told me why she wants to go do her own thing. And I told her, like, I feel the exact same way. And you know, this is perfect because it's like our visions actually aligned. It wasn't about, okay, Jevon, how many people do you have to bring in for me? And then if you bring in X amount of people, then we're gonna give you this and this and this and this and this. It wasn't a conversation like that. It was a conversation of how do we actually change the industry? How do we actually, do you get what I'm saying? So we have our licenses. We fully regulated. License is 51885 Luxe Markets. can check it out. And yeah, bro, I don't know what more to say on that. Like, we fully licensed. I know, like, here's the other thing, bro. We actually own our license. We're not saying that, oh no, there's this company from this country that actually owns the license. We operate under them. No, we actually own the license. Luxe Markets has their own license. You know, so there won't be that thing of like, yeah, bro, there's some shady things happening in this industry. And it's been how long now? December, January, Feb. It's almost 3 months now waiting for the office since I think I've announced it. It's almost, or 2 months maybe. 2 months maybe. Now, hear me out on this, ne? There was this individual also who messaged me, and I've lost a lot of respect for him. And the reason why I say I've lost a lot of respect for him, because he's supposed to be a friend. He was the one who set up the deal, right? One of the deals. But then I started realizing that this, like I said, it's not being done for the people. It's being done for egotistical things. Die manne wil nie na Rydel luister nie. Ek sê maar net. So I have to gather my thoughts properly here so I don't say anything wrong. So this individual tells me that, no bro, Luxe Market is a white label broker. That's the first thing they tell me. So I tell him, bro, even if we are a white label broker, that's fine. Firstly, it's not cheap to run a white label broker. Let me quickly how much does starting a white label broker cost? So starting a white label broker typically costs between $20,000 to $50,000. $20,000 to $50,000. It's not cheap to start a white label broker. Let's just quickly search how much does it cost to start a forex brokerage. Now, to start a forex broker, you need $120,000 to about $180,000 to start a full broker that you own. So you can see, you know, white label, not fully white label. Money is still like if I had the money to start a white label, I would. But unfortunately, I don't have so much money. I don't have 360,000 rand to potentially lose and hope that people will come trade with me. You know, I can't do that. So anyway, starting the broker, and then I was told again, nah bro, these people from Luxe Markets are lying to you. You guys won't be operating or opening any doors for the next few months. Then it's like, nah bro, like you're a grown man. I'm just trying to help you and guide you, so because currently you're standing for something that doesn't exist yet. Now, mind you, this happened after do you guys remember a few weeks ago I announced that the broker's going live tomorrow, and then tomorrow came. Then I was like, oh shit guys, we can't go live. Everything's not fixed yet. You guys remember that? So that's what happened. And like this, like because Luxe's platform is so smooth right now, this is exactly why we didn't launch prematurely. Even though my announcement was premature, like we know what we're doing. Anyway, this person still tells me, you must know me bro, I know big people in the industry, so if I say something you must take my word for it. What happened a few days later? We launched. Ne? So first of all, now it makes that person's credibility to me seem even more less genuine, and it makes me question them even more. Because it's like you're trying to like discourage me from what I'm trying to do, and you want me to come to your thing where you will benefit more from my people. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's kind of like a narigheid ding. So like for instance, like, yeah, you guys get what I'm trying to say, man. That's the things I deal with behind the scenes. You know, I'm talking about people, I'm talking about millionaires. I'm talking about people who say they're millionaires, ne? Who feel threatened by me. This guy who's sitting in... Guys, look how fucking small this room is I'm sitting in. Look here. Look, there's boxes there. There's boxes there from when we still moved. When we still moved in here, there's some books in there, some electronics equipment. There's actually a suitcase here as well with some old clothes of us that we must still donate to a charity. Like this thing you see here, this is the stairs leading up, leading upstairs. Like this is behind me, this is my desk, and then this is the other part of the room. So now you tell me, ne? You tell me. This guy, yeah. People feel so threatened. People with thousands of followers would go make videos and content specifically to take shots at me. Huh? People go out of their way to try and discourage me. And you think that's gonna, like, you understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I'm just being honest, Tix. I just gotta keep it real, bro. You know? And that's the exact same thing also I told the owner of okay, so EU pushing down. This is the check what DXY is doing. DXY tap that level. Okay, DXY tap that level. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so we have that zone here on EU break here. We could still see a reaction, so I'll give you my thought process real quick. So either we displace here and then we get something at the low of the day, kind of like a head and shoulder, or alternatively we will have a flip, so something like this basically, and then, you know, something like that. Takes those motherfuckers don't have money, just yap and speak shit. This is exactly what I'm talking about, bro. Like I am not afraid to say that I am not a millionaire. I don't make 100k a month from trading. I make decent amount of money from trading to take care of myself and my family. But one thing I will never pretend to be something I'm not, you know. And also, like, if I compare myself to like a lot of people, where my vision is at and where I want to go, it's, even if I'm say certain things, it goes over people's heads. That indicates to me that, or that already indicates to me that, that the people around me, that is not the people I must basically conduct my vision with. Because you make an example, ne? It might be a bad example, but make an example. When Elon Musk decided that he's gonna make electric cars, ne? And everyone was like, you know, that's not gonna work. Did you think that ever stopped him from actually moving forward and doing that? Do you think the first person, like, look at NVIDIA, the people who make graphics cards, do you think anything ever stopped them from their vision? If you look at the people who they mingle with, it's not your average person. You know, this is why you don't see me out in clubs. This is why you don't really see me out in public. This is why you don't see me mingling with just anyone. Because I'm protecting my energy. I'm trying to protect my reputation. Because even though there is a lot of people in the industry who seem legit, they're not legit. Even like, okay, where my big go went. I told myself one thing I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna badmouth and talk shit about other people to make myself look good. I'm not doing that, obviously, but I told myself I don't want to talk about other people. The only thing I want to focus on basically is myself. This is why, like, I also just want I'm gonna sound like a child now. I just want people to leave me alone, you know. I just want people to leave me alone. I wasn't good enough before Lux for them, for anyone. So people mustn't think now when Lux takes off and things actually happen for me, people mustn't then think I'm good enough. You know, that's my one vow I've made to myself. And I also won't give in to the pressure of, like, maybe, oh no, they have a lot of followers, it might bring a lot of exposure to, like, I'm not gonna cave into things like that. If it doesn't support my vision, if they're not on the same wavelength, then, you know, then it's not the people for me. This is why also, like, I love the people who I am in contact with, like Nico, Dix, Raphael, there's Jason, Incognito. Like, these are just people I'm trying to mention. Okay, I can mention like my brother, my cousin, my best friend, you know, but I'm talking about like now in this space. There's a select few of you guys who actually understand this vision that I have. And yeah, like, yeah, it's all gonna take some time. It's all gonna be a matter of time. No point looking validation from others. It's always you versus you. Exactly, Tix. Exactly. Exactly. Gee, you came so close to the zone. Oh yeah, I must still look for my thingy, my Asia session, for my sessions indicator. Let's see if it's. This looks worse. Do you guys want me of an indicator that I can it looks ugly, man. What was it called again? That indicator that Jay used. Tix, maybe you know. Tix, I think you were with Jay. Remember Jay had an indicator for his Asia sessions or for his sessions in general. What was it called? Golden, yeah, near bro. Diddled him. I'm trying to remember what that indicator was called. That was a dope one. Asian range. Asian range and kill zones, okay. Oh. Okay, can I adjust the times? Wait. Is this GMT? Or is it? Okay, wait. I'm an idiot. I hope it's GMT. But I don't understand. Because no, I'm doing something wrong, yeah. I'm doing something wrong. It's New York time. Yo, now I have to do all these conversions. Okay. Wait. We'll come back to this one. I like an indicator where I can set where I can set my time as GMT. Should account for DLS too. DLS sounds familiar. Are you talking about the delivery system? Okay, this looks a bit better. Okay, but now text is this okay, time zone, GMT. Oh, daylight savings. Oh, bro, I don't believe in daylight savings. I don't believe in daylight savings. This thing is very close. I'm so confused. On the chart it says 2 o'clock, but yeah, it says... Yeah, you guys are misleading me. Nah, I don't believe in daylight savings. If anything, the moment I started implementing daylight savings into my trading, I started losing money. I think it's because of the way I was taught to trade. Market maker method, I have strict times. And my method is different to other people. Wait, sessions, GMT. Let's try this one. Oh my freaking word. Okay, let's hope I can adjust the oh. Yeah, look, yo, my screen looks like a pie chart. I can't believe I can't find this indicator. Oh my word. It's gonna be like the riff now. I'm gonna have to draw. Okay, let's hope I can change this one. I'm so confused. Will this work? Will it work? I don't think it's gonna work. I think it's this one. Oh no. I think it's this one that I use. Oh no. Yeah, but the only thing is this is the indicator that Jay put me onto. But now the thing is thing is, okay, so GU is a miss. GU is a miss. Yeah, it's just gonna happen here on DXY. Okay, let me try setting this up quickly. Yes, this is so confusing. Okay. Um, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It's at 2 o'clock. Aye, there we go. There's my Asia range. There's my Asia range. Hey guys, I really hope you get a trade, yeah. But I doubt it.
Before the money it was love, but before the money it was tough. They came the money through a plug. It's a shame this ain't enough, ain't enough.
Oh wait, so the Asia session doesn't work. Hey guys, I don't think we're gonna get a trade yet today. Wanted to see the GU buys come through over here. Unfortunately, that was a no-no there. That was a no-no. I can't execute here. I can't execute here. Even if I want to look for sells, I can't do that. I can't do that. So I think I'm gonna love and leave you. But let's see. Wait, let's see. Maybe there's something happening here. Okay, I like what I see here. Let's see if we have a break above this level and start looking for longs. Maybe, just maybe there's a trade here, guys. All is not lost. All is not lost.
Stroking, bitch, you been squirting. Aunt Flo pulling up the opposite of early. Nigga been wiping up dookie and burping. I was with the two-lead right on my person. I be on Southside swerving, gone like a fly route. Mom's on the ground going hard. Look at my child pops at the bar with the yak and the guard. When my new shit drop, you can all quit your jobs now. Fucking on the doctor, she get the best top while. Back shot bound, dog out like a chow chow. Water boy hustle to the whole world drown in the ground. Mama got fought at the water fountain. Round with the 5% tint on the crown. Big G's moving silence. Rather make moves than announcements. See an opportunity and pounce it. You hit the red light surrounded. Better go ahead with the clown shit. You gon' regret when you doubt it. You know you left when we was down bad, sleeping on couches. Hi, should've fucked around and found out. What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Getting this money, fucking this fame, I'm trapping this water, making shit shake, Give me a dollar, bitch, give me a break, Most likely to succeed, most likely to smoke weed, most likely to get money, doing something I believe, most likely put the seed on my back, it ain't heavy, most likely got the people going crazy overseas. I've been in the Taurus, I've been in the G, I've been in the Crown V, in the Mercury.
I'm back. I just had to go pee quickly to make sure that my anxiety doesn't get the best of me. Oh, oil. Come on, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, this is a jam. Vanelas. Yo. This is a jam. Come on, EU. Let's manifest it. Okay, watch that candle pop. Hey, look at that. Come on, DXY.
One for you and one for me. I am not talking to you if you don't have love for me. Follow me another way. Know you better stand out there, put your hands together. Everybody got money, get the band together. Moving like you can't stand the weather, but it ain't gonna rain always.
Okay, let's see if it closes above. Oh no.
This trading platform changed my trading career forever, and here's why. First of all, it lets me trade with their capital, so I don't have
Over $6 trillion.
Oh my freaking word.
With the nice me, wait, get the fussing with the other me. What? I get the fighting with the nice me. He don't like me, motherfucking doesn't like me. Checks it white me. Get the fussing with the other me.
Hey, what did I say? What did I say? Pop that candle. Pop it, baby, pop it. Yeah, okay. That's a bit hectic.
Reminiscing back when a nigga used to get laughed at, and I be laugh at you. Remember when you used to talk about me? Well, look what that got you, huh? No worse feeling than someone that doubt you, huh? When the people don't really give a fuck about you, huh? Then you start popping and everybody call you, even your ex bitch wanna be up all around you, huh? Look, fall back, cause they don't know about that life. I'm drinking all the Henny, getting mad right, and forget what a nigga did last night. I'm turned up and I got mad liquor. I've been a half nigga since I've been half white, and now I'm half man, half race. We American, ain't we? They're ready to blame me. Trying to get rich, so the elephant ain't me. You know they're ready to flame me, cause I ball like Garnett, but I'm better than KG. Two white hoes when I play day on it. 10 Puerto Ricans and some reggae tone it. Ass so fat you can vacate on it. I don't even need class, got my A game on it. Now I'm ready to die. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready to die. Die for my beliefs, die for how the beats, die inside the streets, die and I believe, die they watching me to die, I gotta leave, die for my life, die for my rights, die for my Lord, die for my war, die for my story, die for my glory. This is top 40, bitch, I'm not sorry. No, I'm not gonna ride for my dead niggas. I said, you can meet me at the top of the sky. I can feel that on my soul, I know God is alive, and the devil's alive, shit. Okay, the devil's alive, been ahead of my time since I was 9, shit. I was nice to the niggas in 9-6.
It's been a long time coming, now we up to something for real. It's been a long time coming, trying to turn some honey and some mills. And trust me, this ain't happened overnight. Had to feel them struggles before we seen the heights. Knew if I got the chance, I'd turn this to a heist. Had to steal the moment, couldn't.
Sorry, just had to send that out to the people quickly.
Listen, I've been working for a better life. Remember waking in the dead of night. Like, what's my next plan? Next plan. Can't stand the fact that we ain't living right. Head filled with problems like we live with life. Times are dirty.
Oh, that would have been a TP. That would have been a TP, man.
Knew my future still was bright. We some chandeliers. Been in shambles, but I persevere. Life's a gamble, take a chance and roll a pair. Some dice break the ice like polar bears. We gon' own the year. We gon' break the surface. We gon' switch the plans. We gon' make them nervous. It's a new religion. We gon' change the sermon. We gon' wake them up. We gon' raise the curtain. Show them what's been lurking. I've been learning. That being myself is therapeutic. Crazy how much people out here really lose it. Trying to be somebody that they really used to. understand you can't be replicated in the store you live in is hella crucial. Ain't nobody in this world could ever do you. Ain't nobody in this world is better suited, baby. We deserve this life. We deserve this life.
Also interesting, yeah, institutional level.
We deserve this life. 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 We deserve this life.
Okay, now we just wait to execute.
Listen, baby, I've got news. I've got bad news for you.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get in, yeah.
And we ball like TNT. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Fly like TMZ. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42, come alive. Yeah.
Okay, I'm in.
Hide your wife.
I'm allergic to the cap, I can't hear these niggas rap without an EpiPen. You'll never see me in Giuseppe. I find them tacky, look what I'm stepping in. Some shit I designed with Italians, calling them Indy 5000s. Or maybe 500, I kick the door down if I wanted it, niggas won't let me in. My career in a nutshell, these hoes never did nothing but fail. They gon' see I'm the one when the dust settles, they gon' see I'm the one. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P. That's little me in a classroom asking, what's L? I never been known to take those.
Okay.
Girl saw me and her face froze. You better be lucky I'm faithful. Please test me, I ace those. My money been growing like eightfold. You know how I hate goals. I can't tell if they turn the green from the envy or is it the fake gold? I move through the street one deep. I keep forgetting I'm J. Cole. I feel like a regular nigga. I just gotta bury a regular bankroll. Word to Pluma, I've been getting pesos. My account like the end of a rainbow. Every time that I spit, it's a flame though. Me, Bossy, and Cinches, NATO.
And we ball like TNT. Watch these hoes all pick a side. Bitches flock like TMZ. Every time we come outside, call the Uber SUV. How many gon' fit inside? Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife. Yeah. Bag your bitch in my slide. Yeah. Pray the dogs never die. Yeah. 42, come alive. Yeah. Hide your bitch, hide your wife.
Just remove this line yet. It's look messy.
I don't know why you're mad, you should probably thank me. Cause I've been airing your girl. If it gets on top, we could take the chase. Cause we know the area well. Thank God I'm not far off 100 M's. I got a thank Ron Perry as well. I don't even know why they stepped in a ring. A few seconds in and they're throwing a towel in. When we pull into the town, neighbors saying how the hell they get them houses. Now I'm in some different locations, I don't even know how to pronounce them. Award shows, I bring my pouch in, I ain't even pulling up my... I can't get packed by TMZ, tryna fit 4 things in a G63. I'ma give one thing to my bro IG, I'ma handle the rest and G all free. The back so big on me, all gassed up, how the fuck did she fit in them diesel jeans? I can't compete, cause they ain't in my league, oh please, they ain't even...
But also, not in my... I don't like that. We missed US30. Missed US30. That sucks. But it's okay. We can't catch them all. Let's see what's gonna happen, yeah. Just wanna see it close above Asia. Nice rejection there. Let's see what's gonna happen next. I'm very aggressive with this management, yeah. Your gold is just pumping. Yeah. Oh, where are you going, DXY? Where are you going? Yeah, this was beautiful. Yeah, this will be the exact same way we missed thingy the other day, Nasdaq. If it does that exact same thing. Asia low. Which trade does it? Yeah. Asia low. Didn't come back to the level.
don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I will share it, but today it wasn't. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. 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 You ain't heard the coast like this in a long time. Don't you see the long line? And they waiting on Kendrick like the first and the 50. Threes in the air, I can see you are in sync. Hide your feelings now. What you better do? I'll take your girlfriend and put that pussy on the pedestal. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Walk out the door and they scream it's alive. My New Year's resolution is to stop all the pollution. Talk too motherfucking much. I got my drink, I got my music. I say bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Competitive prices. Try copy trading or
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar, radio freestyles. Yo, the one, the only OT, the real in the building. I'ma step out. He gonna step in and kill this shit, all right? Let's go.
Okay, still trading above that strike zone level.
I guess we on the radar.
Okay, only thing is TXY is above that strike zone level.
Everywhere. OT the real. Look. Brody said if rap don't work, it's back to robbing people's houses. We gon' take all they chains, we gon' be the bosses. The world gone mad, all I see is losses. And you'll take one from me for that Kia raw fish. Ups and downs, had to bear through it. Buckle down, find a small town, time to tear through it. Stop crying, making fear music. If I put that chicken dinner up, they'll do it. They say I'm too hard, I gotta dumb the flow. But everything in life I ever got was from a O, or from a bow, or bundled dope, or a home invasion when I was fucking broke. I came to Philly on the run. I ride through your neighborhood, my hand be really on my gun. I gotta make a home to raise my daughter and my sons. It's hard to tell my smoker no when he got 3 ones. I need it all, pride always beat a fall. I went from eating bad to eating good to couldn't eat it all. I was too caught up serving Pete and Paul and watch them rob each other and try to block each other. Would've been better off going half on a block together. Could've seen the top together. Once it's on forever. And it does not get better. Glocks, Berettas, coke come butter soft like Moroccan leather. It's a cycle that we trapped inside. Still trapping like I'm just trying to get this rap shit right. Still grabbing like mine's better and I match the price, homie. Put you to the flame slowly like a sacrifice. Mama, don't blame yourself. I guess I always stay myself. When I was young, I robbed some good dudes. I kind of played myself. But when you know nobody's coming, you don't scream for help. Eating well. They rather see me in that 3-man cell. Systems got flaws in them. Kids got saws with them. Your man's in the ICU, looking like Jaws bit him. Always on the run, kept raw with him. Juking bounty hunters like they should have had dog with him.
What's your plan, DXY? What's your plan? What's your plan?
Food for charge, law hit him. You to play ball with him. I'm where they duck the shots. Junkies cop, arms and legs look like they got the monkey pox. Look. Life ain't a fairy tale. He'll pay 2 racks for an ounce. That's a scary sale. This fish all on my digi. I got a scaly scale. A little meth too. I could probably bless you. You surrounded by some yes men. I'm surrounded by trappers who take 30s and press them. Yeah. Take 30s and press them. Looking at this drugs and this money like who's my best friend? Damn. Cause I got pain I'll never speak on. Really went on recon missions over that recon. Feet was stinking from all them nights I slept with my sneaks on. Ah. Now we on crack in the pot, ops in the graveyard. Still scream R.I.P. Weezy and free AR. They front like they ain't fucking with my shit, but they are. Still serve them gray pieces out the gray car.
They say you work hard, you get to play hard. You sell that work hard, you sell yourself up to a state yard. Damn, I guess I'm finally on the radar. Yeah, OT the real. Go get that maxed out everywhere, y'all know what it is. Boom.
You, stop rolling that camera. Put that camera away now.
Look, picture me rolling. Tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous. You gotta control it. Reaching my quota. Mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God. Trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches. Me and my loasters. Just trying to get over. Try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses. Like somebody chose us. Sweat on my shoulder. I feel these emotions. But still I keep going. I've been to a poet. I've been through the motions. I'm feeling heroic. But life is a dice game. And they dare you to blow it. You might get a stripe, man. But that ain't gonna pay for the strollers. It's never enough to console her. Tell her your daddy a soldier. She needs you right now in this moment. Now dead on your back with your roses. To me, I'm just carving a sculpture. And fine-tuning my approaches. Doubling back as the owner. The moment of truth is the opponents. Call them promoters.
Rolling with my friends, not a worry. Then we get stopped by the police. Gotta make it home to my baby. 'Cause these days niggas going crazy. Gotta make it home to my baby. 'Cause these days niggas say me. Gotta make it home to my baby. Hold up, yeah, look. I bet I'ma make it home to my baby. Bang, bang, yeah. I bet I'ma make it home to my baby. I said, I bet I'ma make it home to your baby.
Hey, so what's happening? Yeah, he was fighting, eh? He was fighting.
What you ain't know? She be like,
Why you so cold? Why you ain't dumping these hoes? Why you so in love with a dough?
what you ain't know? She be like,
Why you so cold? Is you gonna love me or no? Did somebody hurt you before?
what you ain't know? So there's no need to panic. Sorry, I'm rich and I'm damaged. I am no hopeless romantic. What you ain't know? Told her I'm rich and I'm damaged. I take your loving for granted. I'm not no hopeless romantic. Look, I just told my jeweler bust it down, so nobody mistake me for being humble. How you hating? I don't even know you. I'm top 3 and not an even number. I just came back for Turkey Cake, cause when my ex's sake to say we pat things up. Realize I'm better off without it, but I guess we'll find out in the net 9 months. Hey, awkward silence when I told my teller I need 50,000. How to tell that I'm a dope boy when I'm on Jimmy Fallon. Shawty want me home playing house, but I am not a hubby. I just put a mortgage
mortgage on the poker table. I was feeling lucky, I'm out. I been getting to it, what are you doing? I ain't new to it, I'm true to it. Bad bitch on the East Coast, do a whole lot of coke, but she used to it. Shawty said she never heard a song I sing, so I told that little bitch, you better YouTube it. Staying at the money, and I said I love you. Not you, stupid, no. She be like, why you so cold? Why you need up in these hoes?
You're usually fighting. Just when you think, okay, here's that candle now, okay.
She might call me daddy, but I'm not a father. I can't never love her though. She said I won't hurt you, don't care about your paper. I'm not like your other hoes. Right. True play, I am sincere. Flew her out and I forgot it's here. Bitches always used to dub me. Now they smiling like they got veneers. Girl up me and all my niggas here. This shit structured like the cartel. 5,000 up at booby chat. Had them bitches doing cartwheels. My ex act like she don't fuck with me. That's how I know I got a heart still. First love, I gave it everything. She did me dirty, get some scars still. Why you only call me when you need some? Why you never call me for no threesome? She said what happened to the nigga that I used to know? That nigga dead. What you ain't know? She be like, why you so cold? Why you need up in these hoes? Why you so in love with a dough? What you ain't know? She be like, why you so cold? Is you gonna love me or no? Did somebody hurt you before? What you ain't know? So there's no need to panic. Sorry, I'm rich and I'm damaged. I am no hopeless romantic. But you ain't know. Told her I'm rich and I'm damaged. I take your loving for granted. I'm not no hopeless romantic.
I just want to minimize my risk or at least go break even already. Yo.
Yeah, lately I've been running circles around my competition. Give it time, most of these rappers they go missing. But never mind that, I've been minding my business. In the literal sense, counting these digits. Went from dreaming of living, it's real. I got some scars that I don't ever think will heal. Walking wounded, but my soul
He usually fighting us, yeah.
traveling time with these flows, I reach the moon. Told my fam, stay strong, our time is soon. One day the sun gon' shine and we gon' bloom. Went from counting our problems to counting paper. Got my eyes on the vision, can't see a hater. I can't trust too many people, I got issues. They try to get close to you and then finesse you. I can't let that happen, I'm in my zone. Nobody offered me help, did it alone. People in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. I can't stop until my whole family own. We never had money, but we had love. Yeah, I guess all we needed was us. I guess all we needed was us.
Yo. I'm getting sleepy watching these candles.
I talked to God the other day, he said he got me, I'm straight. I thank my mom for sacrifices she made. Was on the bench, I wasn't getting no play. Now every day I'm scoring 30 a game. If nobody got me, just know that I got myself. Some people can't even tell the truth to themselves. I count my blessings every time that I fail. Wrote a letter for my mans, really hope he gets bail. Keep it real, my integrity's not for sale. To get to heaven, you gotta make it through hell. I'm alive and well, I can't complain. I gotta see the sunshine when I'm in rain. Still we struggled but stayed the course.
Je zal zien zodra je geapprove is, als het zo like basis, dan kan je snel zo gaan staan, my links. En dan vat je een van die twee basis. Je kan je enig een oh shit, I might have made a mistake nou wat ik zie. Maar als je right kijkt het zo, die gaan je links hier zo krijgen basis.
Everything come back around full circle. Why do lies sound pleasant but the truth hurtful? Everybody gotta cry once in a while, but how long will it take for you smile? This is that come back to life shit. My niggas pick me up and we gon' light the city up as if the sun had the night shit. And paint the town red for my nigga found dead too soon. Yeah, to the left of that decimal, I need 7 figures to play the joint. Turn up your decibels, P-Pie decimator joint. Check out my projects like them workers that section 8 points. And you'll see how I flip like exclamation points. My niggas shoot first as if they never played the point. More 2 guards, enough straps to fill for U-Hauls. More depth than World War II calls around these parts. We put a brown just to drown these thoughts of black corpses in county morgues. Lord, those images haunting. I ain't been asleep yet. It's 10 in the morning. I'm sending a warning. A problem with me is like the BET Hip Hop Awards. I'm starting to see you niggas don't want it. I'm sick of this flaunting from niggas I know for sure ain't got more dough than cold. Trash rappers, ass backwards, trying to go toe to toe. We laugh at you. Staff strapped up on top the totem pole to blast at you. Bassmasters, look how they total pole. Gotta know the ropes and a protocol, or they gon' for show blow your clothes half off like a promo code. Made a little tune called Folding Clothes, and a nigga still ain't on the fold under pressure.
Yo, E usually giving us a hard time, yo. Like it's fighting, fighting.
In this PC culture, address me as the GOAT like they call Chief Keef Sosa. In my section, no, like a fucking 3-piece sofa. I'm known as the chosen one. Under the dead body lay frozen, that's how it goes sometimes. When niggas weighing coke and not the pros and cons. Well, I ain't with that sleeping underground like a gopher, so I go for mine. Everything come back around for a
Right back.
Why do lies sound pleasant but the truth hurtful? Everybody gotta cry once in a while, but how long will it take for you smile? This is that come back to life shit. My niggas pick me up and we gon' light the city up as if the sun had the night shit. And paint the town red for my nigga found dead too soon. Now I know why they call it blue moon. Survival at all costs. Everyday niggas get logged off, bodies get hogged off. Passing the funeral procession while holding my breath in the car. I thought the times that be feeling the devil be whenever I do that ain't got lost. Just got off the phone, my nigga he back in the kennel, my dog lost. I brought around close to me before, but he became addicted to clout and all the hoes we need. I slowly peep jealousy on his breath whenever he spoke to me. Like on the low, he feeling that in my shoes is where he's supposed to be. I try to ignore the signs of them in the back of my mind. It felt like letting a nigga come sleep on your couch and he eating up all your groceries. My nigga repeated this quote to me. I felt this potency. Said most of these niggas gon' hang themselves just giving a rope and see. Shit, I heeded that. What got showed to me was screaming at some niggas you gotta leave them back. Unfortunately, we seen the trap. Nigga be on that demon clack. Results to lead. They fiend to clap as often as the genius that misquoting me. Meanwhile, I see the numbers is glistening. I'm glad that you shining, but need I remind you my niggas is down in the
Look, I brought some good luck. Whoopsie. I'm gonna have to run now, guys. Daddy duty. You running nicely. What are you doing with you? Oh no, baby. Oh no. Oh no. You okay, baby? Let me move this. Guys, I'm just gonna chill a bit. Give me this all. Sitting at the table like a big girl. Sitting at the table like a big girl. Alrighty, that's my cue, guys. I'm gonna minimize my risk. Okay, Leafy, you gotta hold on for me. You gotta hold on for Pappy real quick. 15 minutes.
When the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, my main concern. Promise that you will think about me. Promise that you will think about me. I said when the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, my main concern. Promise that you will think about me. Promise that you will think about me.
I woke up this morning and figured I'd call you in case I'm not here tomorrow. I'm hoping that I can
There you
borrow
have it,
a
guys.
piece of mind. I'm behind on what's really important. My mind is really distorted. I find nothing but trouble in my life. I'm fortunate you believe in a dream. This orphanage we call a ghetto is quite a routine. And last night was just another distraction or a reaction of what we consider madness. I know exactly what happened. You ran outside when you heard my brother cry for help. Held him like a newborn baby and made him feel like everything was alright in a fight he tried to put up, but the type of bullet that stuck had went against his will.
No, don't do that.
Your hands, my plans rather vindictive. Everybody's a victim in my eyes. When I ride, it's a murderous rhythm, and outside became pitch black. A demon glued to my back, whispering, "Get him, I got him," and I ain't give a fuck. That same mentality I told my brother not to duck. In actuality, it's a trip how we trip off of colors. I wonder if I ever discover a passion like you and recover.
Right, feeding towel.
As a youngin' in pajamas and thunderlons. When thunder comes, it rains cats and dogs dumb. Niggas like me never prosper. Prognosis of a problem child. I'm proud and well devoted. This pyro shit been in me forever. So forever I'ma push it wherever, whenever. And I love you cause you love my brother like you did. Just promise me you tell the story when you make it big. And if I die before your album drop, I hope.
Promise that you will think about me. Promise that you will think about me.
Alrighty.
When the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, my main concern. Promise that you will think about me. Promise that you will think about me.
You wrote a song about my sister on the tape. We called it Section 80. The message was simple. Brenda's got a baby. What's crazy was I was hearing about it, but doubted your ignorance. How could you ever just put her on blast and shit? Judging her past and shit. Well, it's completely my future. Her nigga behind me right now asking for ass and shit. And I'ma need that $40 even if I gotta fuck, suck, and swallow. Hit the parking lot, Gonzalez Park, I'm followed by a married man and father of three. My titties bounce on the cadence of his tingling keys. Matter of fact, he my favorite cause he tipped me with ease. He got a cousin named David and I seen him last week. This is the life of another girl damaged by the system. These foster homes I run away and never do this.
Alrighty.
Homes just run away and if I can get
I am back.
what used to be, then I'd probably be in the denim of a family gene that show women how to be women. Or better yet, a leader. You needed to learn something, then you probably need to be the. That's how I was taught.
First day of the week on stream. W day, W day.
But fuck that, sorry for your lost shit. My sister died in vain, but what point are you trying to gain if you can't fit the pumps I walk in? I'll wait. Your rebuttal a little too late, and if you have an album date, just make sure I'm not in the zone, cause I don't need the attention. Bring enough of that on my own. And matter of fact, did I mention that I physically feel great? A doctor's
Daar proef je een TP, een full TP there on GU.
than you and
Beautiful. So I still expect price to retrace a bit. But okay guys, I'm gonna update you guys on the trade in the Discord. I'm gonna have to run now. I still have to prepare for church. Hey Nazim, welcome man. Coming a bit late. I'm about to end stream here. I've been live for about an hour, almost 2 hours. Yeah, we took this EU trade over here. We in profit, minimized the risk. We also called GU longs, but unfortunately on GU price didn't come back to our zone. Like we literally missed it with that little range. That's like how many pips? 1.4 pips. But it's okay. That's okay. Sweet, you have a good one. Thank you, Tix. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So yeah, worst case scenario, EU retraces up until this level and continues pushing towards the upside. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated in the Discord on when we hit TP on this. Much love guys, much love.
Like you need to be told, cursing the life of 20 generations at the hearse soul. Exactly what'll happen if I ain't continue rapping or steady being distracted by money, drugs, and 4-5s. I count lives all on these songs. Look at the weak and cry. Pray one day you be strong, fighting for your rights, even when you're wrong. And hope that at least one of you think about me when I'm gone. Am I worth it? Did I put enough work in? Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me. I said when the lights shut off and it's my turn to settle down, my main concern. Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing.
Hey, so you can see we just ended stream. We called 2 trades on stream. First one was GU. We wanted some buys, as you guys can see down here at the screen level, but we missed price didn't come to our zone. We missed it with 1.4 pips. However, we did get EU, as you can see over there. We currently in profit. We also minimized our risk, so we're waiting on price to hit that level over there to 121R, our initial trade, to go break even on this trade. So worst case scenario, like I explained now, have a little pullback and then price push to the upside, or we get stopped out. Every setup on stream, we've explained it. It's completely for free. If you're still sleeping on these live streams, guys, and I don't know what you're doing, if you're still paying for signals, paying for mentorships where they teach you how to trade support from 1977, then I don't know what you're doing, you know. So tap into our lives, get in touch with me, and let's fix up your trading.
This morning and figured I'd call you in case I'm not here tomorrow. I'm hoping that I can borrow a peace of mind. I'm behind on what's really important. My mind is really distorted. I find nothing but trouble in my life. I'm fortunate you believe in a dream. This orphanage we call a ghetto is quite a routine. And last night was just another distraction or a reaction of what we consider madness. I know exactly what happened. You ran outside when you heard my brother cry for help. Held him like a newborn baby and made him feel like everything was alright in a fight he tried to put up, but the type of bullet that stuck had went against his will. Last blood spill on your hands, my plans rather vindictive. Everybody's a victim.